Imagine spending thousands on a brand new SUV, only to watch its value collapse almost overnight. Sounds unbelievable, but it's happening in 2026. Today, we're counting down the 8 SUVs losing value faster than almost anything else on the road. From luxury icons to family favorites, these models have become some of the biggest financial mistakes you can make. Let's begin the countdown. Number 8. Infiniti QX80. The Infiniti QX80 arrived with bold styling, a premium interior, and a powerful twin-turbo V6, promising to compete with luxury giants like the Lexus LX and Cadillac Escalade. But despite the impressive redesign, buyers simply aren't lining up. Industry estimates suggest the QX80 could lose more than 50% of its value within 3 years, making it one of the fastest depreciating luxury SUVs on the market. The biggest issue isn't performance, it's perception. Infiniti continues to struggle with brand prestige, leaving used buyers hesitant to spend luxury money on a badge that doesn't carry the same reputation as its rivals. Number 7. Jaguar F-Pace. Few SUVs combine style and performance like the Jaguar F-Pace. Its sleek design and sporty handling still make it one of the most attractive luxury crossovers on the road. But underneath that elegant exterior lies a growing problem. Jaguar's shift toward an all-electric future has left the F-Pace feeling like an orphan model, while reliability concerns continue to damage buyer confidence. Electrical faults, suspension issues, and multiple recalls have hurt its reputation. Add depreciation of around 56% in just 3 years, and it's easy to see why so many owners are watching their investment disappear. Number 6. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee has built its reputation on rugged capability and everyday practicality, but 2026 has exposed serious cracks beneath the surface. Consumer reliability rankings place it among the least dependable SUVs in its class, with owners reporting software glitches, failing infotainment systems, and repeated recalls, especially on the 4xe plug-in hybrid. These issues have dramatically reduced buyer confidence, sending resale values tumbling. Many owners are expected to lose more than half of their original purchase price within just a few years. Is this still the legendary Jeep people once trusted, or has it become one of the market's biggest disappointments? Number 5. Jeep Grand Wagoneer L. The Jeep Grand Wagoneer L was introduced as Jeep's ultimate luxury flagship, a massive SUV packed with premium materials, advanced technology, and enough space to rival the Cadillac Escalade. On paper, it looked like a game-changer. In reality, it's become one of the biggest depreciation disasters of 2026. Owners have reported recurring electrical faults, software glitches, and costly repairs that have seriously damaged buyer confidence. Many examples have already lost over 40% of their value in less than 2 years. When an SUV costs nearly $90,000, buyers expect first-class reliability. Instead, many got a luxury experience overshadowed by expensive problems. Number 4. Alfa Romeo Stelvio. The Alfa Romeo Stelvio proves that stunning design alone can't guarantee strong resale value. With its sharp Italian styling, responsive handling, and sporty personality, it remains one of the most exciting SUVs to drive. But excitement fades quickly when ownership becomes expensive. Alfa Romeo's limited dealership network, lingering reliability concerns, and costly maintenance have made used buyers think twice. Industry data shows the Stelvio can lose nearly 60% of its value within 3 years, placing it among the worst performers in its class. It's an SUV that delivers passion behind the wheel, but leaves many owners regretting the financial hit. Number 3. Dodge Durango. The Dodge Durango has long been known for its muscular styling, V8 power, and impressive towing capability. Even in 2026, it still delivers thrilling performance that's hard to ignore. But underneath that aggressive look is an SUV that's rapidly losing value. The biggest problem is age. While rivals have embraced hybrid technology, modern interiors, and advanced safety systems, the Durango continues riding on an aging platform with only minor updates. Industry data suggests it can lose nearly 60% of its value within 3 years, with some owners watching almost $20,000 disappear in the first year alone. It's still a powerful family SUV, but its outdated design and steep depreciation make it a risky investment. Number 2. 2025 Nissan Armada. The 2025 Nissan Armada entered the market with a bold redesign and a new twin-turbo V6, promising improved performance and modern technology. But for many buyers, the changes came at a cost. Nissan replaced the beloved V8 with a smaller turbocharged engine, leaving traditional full-size SUV fans disappointed. At the same time, the Armada's price climbed into premium territory, where it now competes against stronger rivals like the Chevrolet Tahoe, GMC Yukon, and Toyota Sequoia. Industry forecasts suggest it could lose more than 50% of its value within 3 years, making it one of the fastest depreciating full-size SUVs of 2026. Despite its spacious cabin and capable towing performance, weak resale demand and fierce competition have turned the Armada into a costly investment. Number 1. Maserati Levante. Taking the top spot is the Maserati Levante, an SUV that perfectly demonstrates how luxury doesn't always equal long-term value. The Levante delivers breathtaking Italian styling, a handcrafted interior, and performance inspired by Maserati's racing heritage. Yet behind the glamour lies one of the worst depreciation records in the industry. High ownership costs, expensive repairs, limited dealer support, and lingering reliability concerns have caused resale values to collapse. Many owners are expected to lose well over 70% of their investment within just 3 years. It's a luxury SUV that sounds incredible, looks spectacular, but financially becomes one of the costliest mistakes you can make. These 8 SUVs prove that luxury and performance don't always guarantee long-term value. Before buying your next SUV, look beyond the badge and consider reliability, ownership costs, and resale value. Don't forget to subscribe to Drive Stats for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow, today. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and tell us in the comments, which SUV surprised you the most? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.